Hey guys, my name is Sudhanshu watching CS Tech. In today's video, I am going to show you guys or unbox the dot flippy reversible USB micro USB cable. So see, first written on the box itself, here is written dot and the branding. Here is a hanging kind of something, and here is written a sticker right over there, flippy reversible 1 meter new. And as you can see on the front, you can see the image of the product itself, and here is the dot branding right over there. So let me unbox it. Here is a no seal, so I have to just take it right this, and here is tray kind of something like this. So as you can see, the build quality of the box is very nice. You can see this quality of the box, and here is written enjoy your new cable. So let me keep it aside and see how is the cable. The cable comes with a tangle free. It's a tangle free cable, and you can plug into your USB port both angles like this and this. On the you can see a velcro strap which will help you to organize your cable, which is a very good thing. As you can see now, the main feature of this dot USB cable is if you have anything that charges with micro USB, you can place anything like type C or lightning cable. You can just place like this or this, so it will rotate and just plug according to the device itself. So if you want to buy this cable, I will give the direct link in the description section below. So thanks for watching. If you like my video, please hit that like button below, and thanks for watching. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Wow.